Welcome! In this video, we are going to be talking about chrome-plated pipes and what fittings to use with them. The first thing you need to do is check if the pipe is chrome-plated brass or copper. You can do this by looking through the end of the pipe. Push fittings, commonly known as speed fit, are not suitable for chrome pipe. The chromium is too tough for the anti-slip rings of speed fittings to get a secure bite. So today, we will be using compression fittings. Compression fittings commonly come with brass or copper olives. Brass olives are a must on chrome-plated brass pipes. However, I also recommend using brass on chrome-plated copper, as copper olives are much softer and more likely to deform under compression. That being said, many plumbers succeed with copper olives on chrome-plated copper pipes. In this example, I install a compression fitting with both types to show what olive has a better hold. If you found this Plumbing Basics video helpful, let me know in the comments. See you there.